very welcome back to the channel. It's Osagie here, and today's video I'm going to tell you guys about VPN, and VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. So when VPN first came out, it was only used by governments and businesses, like all these corporate operations and governments, because government don't want you to know things. If you know, you know. So exactly. So right now VPNs can actually be used by anybody, can be used by me, can be used by you, anybody at all that wants to use a VPN, you can use it. So most of you don't actually know how VPN works, so let me explain to you, then tell you how you can use the VPN. So just think about this, when you are using your laptop or your smartphone or something, when you open the browser and you enter the domain name, like the website's name, like www.instagram.com or youtube.com, something like that, and you are just using your normal browser. So let me tell you what happens. Your information from your system, not just your IP address and everything, goes to the server you are connected to, like whether it's you're using your mobile network or you're using the Wi-Fi network, goes to that server. So they have all your information, you're just receiving all your information and data before it now comes back to you and gives you what you actually searched for. But in that case, think about this: when you're using like public Wi-Fi where different and multiple people are connected, you don't actually know who is connected to that Wi-Fi network with you. So you can be somewhere using it, just giving the Wi-Fi network all your information and data and everything, and there's a hacker around also just hacking into the server and accessing your data. So this is where VPN comes in. If you're using a VPN, what a VPN actually does is that it collects that data that you are originally meant to send to the server. It collects it, then changes it, because you know when you're using a VPN you can also change your location. It makes you anonymous. A VPN makes you anonymous. So it changes that it collects your data and changes everything, sends it to the server as something else. So the server now thinks that it's somebody that, so when it goes back, the information goes back to you, the people don't actually know, and it protects you from. So let me just drop this here. When you think you're using incognito mode, like most of the time incognito mode, you're not really incognito, because some specific websites can still track your data, can still track everything you are doing. Just incognito mode, you're not fully incognito. That is why you should use a VPN. And let me tell you why VPNs are mostly important. So VPNs, they protect you from hackers, they protect you from being tracked. Like now I'm one part of the world, Nigeria, and I'm using a VPN now, and I decide to change my location. So that the data that the VPN receives, it receives my normal Nigerian data, but when it's sending it to the server, it changes my location to like maybe America. That's the location I put, and changes it there. So even if hackers want to access my information, they're like, what? I don't really know. Okay, mind you, a VPN can also be hacked, but you have to be a real badass hacker to hack a VPN, because the VPN services are encrypted, everything. And a lot of people are using VPN, and the VPN server is constantly changing your location and things and just sending it as anonymous link. So if you're a hacker, would you have that time to say, okay, you want to really track this person, when you don't know the part of the world the person is actually using this service from? So that's where VPNs are very, very nice to use. And also for some streaming services like Netflix and Hulu. So some specific, for you know that Netflix has some Nigerian series, and they also have some Spanish series and American series. So like now I'm in Nigeria and I want to watch some American series, so I change my VPN location to America. I open Netflix and it starts giving me that location, because the VPN has deceived them that I'm in America. This is actually good because it also helps you in Spotify. If you can remember that my Spotify video, I also spoke about using VPN to change your location in order for you to access Spotify in Nigeria. So like, yeah, that is how VPN actually works. And yeah, most VPNs have a no privacy login. So immediately they are receiving your data and everything, they are destroying it. Like the VPN app itself doesn't have authority to actually know what. So immediately they are receiving your data and everything, they are just cutting it down, they are cutting it. And That is why VPNs are so important. So like, I want to recommend VPNs for you guys to use. You can use NordVPN, you can use VPN Master, you can use TunnelBear, you can use ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN, I actually heard about it from MKBHD, but the VPNs I've actually used NordVPN and VPN Master. TunnelBear, my sister uses that, so it's actually safe and secure. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have questions, drop in the comments below and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, and comment down below. Thank you guys.